What if you could stop typing so much and simply talk to your computer instead? Meet Voibe, an AI voice dictation tool that turns your speech into text up to 5 times faster than typing, while keeping privacy at the center. And right now, there's a lifetime deal worth checking out. Voibe is a voice dictation app for Mac and Windows. The idea is simple. Click where you want your text, hold your hotkey, speak naturally, and release. Your words appear right where your cursor is. That means you can dictate into ChatGPT, Claude, Notion, Slack, emails, documents, coding tools, and almost any app where you can type. And you don't have to constantly hold a key either. Voibe also offers hands-free dictation, plus features like smart punctuation, custom vocabulary, memory, and developer mode. Here's the part I really like. Voibe is built with privacy in mind. Its cloud mode uses open-source AI models with zero retention, meaning your audio is deleted after transcription and isn't stored or used for training. And if you're using an Apple Silicon Mac, Voibe can even process dictation fully on device and offline. So whether you're writing, coding, messaging, or brainstorming, you can turn your voice into text without relying on traditional typing. Now let's talk about the offer. The regular suggested price is $199, but on Stack Social, you can currently get the Voibe lifetime subscription for just $79. That's 59% off. You pay once and get lifetime access with updates included. The license works across supported Mac and Windows devices under the same email address. Just remember, this Stack Social offer is for new users, and the code must be redeemed within 30 days of purchase. And buyers seem pretty happy with it. Stack Social currently shows a 4.7 out of 5 rating from verified purchasers. One reviewer called it the fastest and most accurate speech-to-text app they tested, while another praised how well it worked for coding. There is one downside worth noting. One buyer reported a microphone compatibility issue with a Thunderbolt connected mic. So keep your specific setup in mind. Overall, if you spend a lot of time typing, writing, coding, or working with AI tools, Voibe could be a seriously useful shortcut. Check the link in the description to see the current offer. If you found this review helpful, hit like, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications for more software deals and reviews. Thanks for watching.